Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Garmin Ice Fishing Bundle is probably one of the most exciting and useful ice fishing gear available on the market, designed to significantly improve your ice fishing experience by providing you with the most accurate depth readings, fish finding sonar, GPS navigation, and wireless connectivity features to help you locate the best fishing spots, track your catches, and stay connected with fellow anglers, ultimately maximizing your time on the ice and increasing your chances of a successful catch. Number 5. Garmin Ice Fishing Kit. This kit is designed to keep your fish finder safe and sound during your ice fishing adventures. It's rugged and easy to use, even with gloves on. The protective case fits your 4-inch, 5, 6, or 7 striker fish finder, ECHOMAP Chirp or ECHOMAP Plus combo. It'll keep it safe from the elements. It features Garmin High-Wide Chirp traditional sonar with selectable beam width for optimal performance. You'll get a clear picture of what's beneath the ice. The transducer comes with everything you need to get started, including a foam float and grommet for easy setup. It includes a battery, charger, power cable, and built-in cable management for convenient storage and use. Everything is neatly organized. With this kit, you'll be ready to find the fish, no matter how cold it gets. Enjoy your ice fishing trip. What we like. It's a complete kit with everything you need for ice fishing, including a rugged case to protect your fish finder. If you're looking for a durable and comprehensive ice fishing setup that's easy to transport, this is the one for you. It's perfect for anglers who want a reliable and convenient solution. Number 4. Garmin Striker Vivid 5 CV Ice Bundle. Get ready for a fantastic ice fishing experience. This bundle has everything you need for a successful day on the ice, from the fish finder to the transducer. This fish finder is the heart of the bundle, providing clear images and remarkable target separation. It's easy to use and will help you locate fish quickly and efficiently. The GT8HW if transducer uses Garmin Chirp traditional sonar. This gives you adjustable beam angles for optimal performance in various ice fishing conditions. Watch your jig or bait as it moves through the water. You'll see fish swimming into the sonar beam and even observe their reactions to your lure. It's not just about finding fish, it's about understanding their behavior. See if fish are approaching or moving away from your bait, giving you a real-time advantage. Experience crystal clear images with remarkable target separation. This allows you to easily distinguish between fish and other objects underwater. What we like. Boasting a crystal clear display and adjustable beam angles, it provides exceptional target separation. If you value superior image quality and precise fish location, this bundle will significantly enhance your ice fishing experience. It's ideal for those who prioritize detailed sonar imagery. What people say. Nice to have the wider screen. Haven't used all the features, but it has all the capabilities I need for ice fishing and strapping to the deck of my sea kayak, which I've outfitted for fishing. Runs a couple trips in the cold ice fishing before needing a charge. Works very well. Number 3. Garmin Striker Plus 4 Ice Fishing Bundle. Get ready to experience ice fishing like never before. This bundle includes everything you need for a successful day on the ice. See the underwater world with stunning clarity on its bright, easy-to-read 4-inch color display. It's simple to use, even with gloves on. It has a built-in, high-sensitivity GPS, so you can mark and return to your favorite fishing spots with ease. Never lose your best fishing holes again. This transducer uses Garmin Chirp traditional sonar to give you crystal-clear images and remarkable target separation. You'll see fish and structure with incredible detail. Create your own personalized maps with quick-draw contours. It's incredibly easy to use and will help you find more fish. It comes with a rugged, portable carrying case that fits all your accessories. Take it anywhere, and keep it safe and sound. What we like. It's incredibly user-friendly, featuring a dual-beam transducer and quick-draw contours mapping. If you are a beginner or prefer simplicity, this bundle offers a seamless ice fishing experience. Its ease of use and mapping capabilities make it perfect for those new to ice fishing or wanting to quickly locate productive spots. What people say. Separation between jig and fish is really good. Target separation is good, screen is bright enough for my purposes. Battery life is good for a graph. The dual beam feature is fantastic and the flasher is just so cool to watch when fish chase your lure. This is a total game changer and gives you that advantage that you otherwise wouldn't have. Less searching equals more fish. Number 2. Garmin Panoptix LiveScope Ice Fishing Kit. Experience the future of ice fishing with this revolutionary kit. It combines cutting-edge sonar technology with unparalleled convenience for a truly enhanced fishing experience. This kit's LiveScope transducer provides real-time sonar imaging up to 200 feet in any direction. Watch fish swim, see their behavior, and target your next catch with precision. It offers both LiveScope forward and down modes, adapting to your fishing style. Whether you're scanning ahead or directly below, it provides the view you need. The rugged carrying case neatly holds your compatible ECHOMAP UHD unit and all accessories. It's designed for easy transport and setup, ensuring you're ready to fish anywhere. Everything you need is included: a swivel pole mount, float, cable grommet, 12Ah battery, charger, power cable, and transducer adapter cable. Just add your compatible ECHOMAP UHD unit and start fishing. What we like. This kit offers unparalleled real-time scanning sonar with an impressive range. If you want to see fish activity in real time and precisely target your next catch, this is the ultimate ice fishing tool. It's perfect for serious anglers who demand the most advanced technology for locating and targeting fish. Number 1. Garmin ECHOMAP UHD 73 CV Ice Fishing Bundle. Get ready for the ultimate ice fishing experience with this incredible bundle. It combines cutting-edge technology with user-friendly design, making it perfect for anglers of all levels. Its bright, 7-inch touchscreen display is easy to read, even in direct sunlight. The keyed assist ensures you can easily navigate the menus, even with gloves on. This bundle includes the GT10HN IF transducer, which offers Garmin Chirp traditional sonar with a selectable narrow beam for precise targeting. You'll get superior fish detection and jig tracking. The built-in flasher provides incredibly precise jig and fish detection, so you'll always know what's happening below. It's essential for successful ice fishing. It comes preloaded with LiveScope HD maps, covering 18,000 lakes, including 13,000 with 1-foot contours. You'll have detailed maps at your fingertips. This unit is also compatible with ClearView scanning sonar for nearly photographic images of underwater structures. Upgrade your system with a compatible transducer for even better detail, sold separately. What we like. With its large touchscreen and preloaded maps, it offers unparalleled convenience and navigation. If you value a user-friendly interface and detailed mapping, this bundle is an excellent choice. It's ideal for anglers who want a comprehensive navigation system and precise fish detection. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.